My name is Justin Brown. I'm an assistant professor in the multimedia journalism and production sequence. The research I've done, a lot of it is on broadband policy, looking at high-speed internet access and comparing our internet access rates to the rest of the world, but also looking at policy in terms of whether or not we should celebrate and embrace sort of free speech rights on the internet. And it's been published in journals like Communication Research, Communication Law and Policy, and other law review type of journals. I think the social media space is exciting, and I think you have to be able to use now Twitter and Facebook in a sense to be able to not only push your content, but also I think as a student down the road you have to be able to market yourself. If you don't have the ability to sort of use those tools, I think you're really sort of lost. A couple of things that I have done, for instance, in the program management class, I've had students introduce themselves via Facebook, and that's a big eye-opener because I don't think they're ready to do that, but I found it really does connect students very quickly with one another with different interests, and I think Facebook's all about identity, sort of experimentation and creation, especially at the college student age. USF is a wonderful university because it is situated in one of the largest media markets in the country, and that means you have a lot more television stations that have news operations, but also radio stations that have the original content. And then we also have a company like Bright House that has their own local news channel. We have excellent facilities. We have a studio which can do a newscast in. We have wonderful cameras. I guess my favorite thing about USF would be the students themselves. You know, when one tries to enter in the classroom and teach, you could teach to students that aren't very excited and don't interact, but the students here seem to get pretty involved and are really easygoing. They're very diverse and they have a variety of different experiences that they bring into the classroom, so it makes life fun when you're in the classroom. That's how learning hopefully should be for everyone.